Hochiki Europe. World-class leaders in fire detection since 1918. With a heritage of innovative design and leading-edge technologies, Hochiki's products have steadily gained widespread acceptance as the benchmark for high integrity and long-term reliability. A global reputation, resulting in Hochiki products being installed in many prestigious sites and in more than 80 countries worldwide. Versatility matches Hochiki products with any type of installation, from hotels to universities and listed buildings, and from football clubs to petrochemical and industrial plants. Hochiki supplies a comprehensive range of conventional and intelligent fire alarm system solutions and an innovative LED emergency lighting system. Hochiki's vision is to provide the highest quality and greatest reliability with the lowest total cost of ownership possible in a modern life safety system. Your safety, our technology.